welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Wellington. Wellington is New Zealand's capital city, and I'm here just visiting some friends and I'm going to do a walk. So I thought, okay, well, I actually walk chestu vlog chesi chaala rojulaindi, so I thought I'd do that. I'll show you where I am right now. So I'm at Carter Park and Maupuya walkway undi kada. So I'm gonna do that one. There's a lot of dogs here as well apparently. Starting point దగ్గరే view ఇలా ఉంది, and I can't wait to like get further up and see what the view is from there. Let's go! I just found a random mushroom, like just right there. All these like leaves and trees, they're like so beautiful. Anni different shades of green unnai asalu. Okay, so time to sit and relax. You can see the aeroplane coming. And where's the airport?
Around the corner.
It's that way. Look how pretty it is. The trees, the clouds, the grass, that couple with the dog. Yes? No? Yes? Hello! Okay. See ya! That was so cute! Okay, I'm so confused because inta endaga unna gani, it's actually like lightly drizzling. I don't think you can see it in the camera, but yeah, it is. Okay, I'm at like the highest top peak and Vada, and it's all downhill from here. Not like downhill like that, but inga mottam track on the downhill. Like the sun's all gone now. It's kind of gone all grey, but hopefully it doesn't start raining. Track me the nadustuna, and like I have to walk really carefully because that's like what is next to me. So yeah. So basically nadustuna track like ila velli, it's like, okay, let's focus. It's like down there and then across, hello, focus, and then across there. Ala 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 kindaki veltam. When did my pants get so muddy? Anyway, let's keep going. Nature ni? Hi. Thank you. ఎంత ప్రశాంతంగా ఉంటుందో ఇలా మనుషులకి దూరంగా, ఓ నో, మనుషులకి దూరంగా ప్రకృతికి దగ్గరగా. హౌ లవ్లీ. వీఆర్ అట్ క్రాస్ రోడ్స్. సో అలా ఒక ట్రాక్ ఉంది, or that way, or this stairs. Well, we're obviously not going to go back up. So this way, is it?
Yes.
Okay. My favorite things is when there's like a canopy of trees and like a little walkway like this. Bale anpistadu asalu. Up the stairs. Up. We are here. Here in the middle of nowhere. Be free! Steps అన్నీ దిగి వచ్చాము, and there's like more steps avoid చేద్దామని అనుకుంటే actually had to take the whole step track. Anyway, back at the point where it joins the other track. అయిపోయింది, we're almost at the end. Road కనిపించేస్తుంది ఇంకా, thank God. And we're basically at the end.
food.
What? Finally done, bro. Like after almost 12 to 3 hours and like 14,000 steps, we're done. I'm so tired. Inka, I'm gonna go inside and sleep, but I hope you like this vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.